Oh, I came into the program not really knowing what welding was and all this, and didn't really know anything about welding until this year. This is a big experience for me. It helps having Reno to be there and help you out and tell you what you're doing wrong, so that way you can try to fix it and make yourself improved on your welding skills, because it's important in the work field that you run some good rods, you make sure the welds are strong, that way nothing breaks if you're working on it. And sometimes it can mean a big difference or it can mean a little difference, but always want a good weld. I'd say that they could try to drop by and talk to Reno about it, and then I'm sure Reno would be fine with letting them come in and play a little bit, so that way they learn if they want to do it or not. Well, as a community college, it was I guess more beneficial to me because I didn't want to travel far from home, and I wanted to stay close and make sure that I didn't blow too much on gas and all that, and it was just a good choice for me at the time.